Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by warming the transmission 5 to 10 minutes. This thins fluid and helps faster, more complete draining. Park on a level surface, set the parking brake and chock wheels. Lift the front with ramps or jack stands rated for your Accord's weight and ensure stable support. Gather tools: 17 mm socket for the drain plug, a catch pan, funnel, replacement pan gasket, filter kit if changing the filter, and about 5 quarts of Honda ATF, DW1, or ATFC1. Place the drain pan and remove the 17 mm drain plug. Allow roughly 5 quarts to drain until it slows. Loosen the pan bolts evenly, support the pan, and lower it carefully to avoid spilling residual fluid. Inspect and clean the magnets and pan, then remove the old filter and replace it using the supplied O-ring or seal. Fit the new gasket, hand start bolts, and tighten in a crisscross pattern to 8 Nm to prevent warping. Reinstall and torque the drain plug to 40 Nm. With the drain plug and pan secured, add about 5 quarts of Honda ATF DW1 through the dipstick tube using a funnel. Lower the car, start the engine, and cycle the shifter through park, reverse, neutral, and drive with the brake applied to circulate fluid. Let the transmission reach operating temperature. Check level on the dipstick with the engine idling and the transmission in park. Add small amounts until the dipstick indicates full at hot temperature. Remember, the total capacity is 9 quarts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.